Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today it's another exciting topic we'll be discussing, and it's addition and subtraction of negative integers. Okay, alright, before we move on, my name is Faith Osemegbe. I'm your online tutor. Okay, now let's get right into it. We have questions on the board that has to do with negative numbers, subtracting and adding other numbers. Now, the first one says -4 plus into brackets -3. But before we go ahead to solve these questions, we need to know the rules of adding and subtracting numbers, the rules of multiplying signs together. Now, when we have minus times minus, this simply means what? Plus. Okay, this is one of the rules of multiplying signs together. Then we have plus times minus. This means minus. We also have minus times plus to give us minus. And then the last one says plus times plus equals plus. Okay? Now, once you understand these rules, you have no issues with solving questions like this. Okay? Minus times minus equals plus. Plus times minus equals minus. And minus times plus equals minus. Then the last one, plus times plus equals plus. So now we can solve the questions we have on the board. Solution. Question 1. We have -4 into plus into brackets -3. Okay? Now this simply means we have to expand this bracket, right? -4, then this bracket means multiplication. Okay, whenever you say a bracket, means you have to what? Multiply. -4 plus times minus. According to the rule here, we have plus times minus equals what? Minus. So this becomes -3. Now this is where some of our friends get confused when you see numbers like -4 -3. It simply means that you are going to what? Add. When you see two negative numbers here, it means you are going to add the numbers together, but you will still take the sign of the bigger number. Now, what is the answer to this question? -4 -3 equals -7. Okay? And that's the final answer for question 1. Question 2. -5 minus into brackets -4. Remember, we're going to open the brackets here, and here we have -5, minus times minus, minus times minus equals what? Plus. Plus 4. And then we can proceed. Now, remember when we are subtracting a positive number from a negative number, it simply means that we're going to subtract, because minus times plus is what? Minus. So we're going to subtract, but we'll take the sign of the bigger number as our final answer. Then -5 plus 4 equals -1. We subtracted, right, which gave us 1, and then we took the sign of the bigger number of 5. Then question 3 is -7 -5. Remember in the first question we said we'll add them together, and then we'll take the sign of the bigger number. So -7 -5 equals -12. And that's it. No further pressure. Question 4, we have 10 minus into brackets -15. From here, we would say 10 minus times minus is what? Plus. So here we're adding 10 plus 15, and that equals 25. Simple. Question 5, 12 plus -8. Plus times minus equals what? Plus times minus equals minus. So we have 12 minus 8, and that gives us 4. The last question, minus 9 minus into bracket plus 2. Here, we're going to open the brackets. We have minus 9, minus times plus here equals what? Minus. So we'll take minus 2. Remember, when we have fraction like this, figures like this with negative signs, you're going to what? Add them together and take the sign of the bigger number. And this becomes minus 11, which is the final answer. Okay, I believe you watched from the beginning to the end and you've learned something today. Okay, and if you enjoyed watching and learning, please do well to like the video. Do not forget to comment, share the video, and also subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.